Welcome to the channel. Ever dreamt of turning your binge-watching sessions into cold, hard cash? Well, today is your lucky day because this video is not just a guide, it's an immersive journey into a groundbreaking strategy that could potentially earn you an impressive $600 per day. Yes, you heard it right. And you're probably wondering, what's the method here? It's as simple as indulging in something you likely do every day, watching YouTube videos. This beginner-friendly approach requires no upfront investment and is accessible globally. Intrigued? Stick around as we delve into all of the specific details. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any money-making hacks from us. This way, you'll be able to maximize how you earn money. First things first, imagine this. Your mobile phone, an internet connection, equals a pocket full of cash. Curious? I'll guide you through a 3-step process that's as simple as grabbing your phone. If you're thinking of dismissing this as another online hustle, just wait a minute. Your mobile phone becomes the gateway to unlocking $600 a day. But how? Stay tuned as we dive into the first step, and remember, it's simpler than you think. Now before we get into it, just drop a quick comment with your age and the online income you're aiming for by the end of 2024. This will help me understand your perspective better and make sure my upcoming videos are spot on for you. So, share your age and passive income goal down below. The first step is straightforward. You're going to need your mobile phone, or any device you've got. This method is versatile and can be done either on your phone or computer, offering you flexibility and convenience. We're not talking about hours of mindless scrolling. I'm talking about watching short YouTube videos that can earn you up to $3 per view. In step 2, all you need to do is click play and watch short YouTube videos. As I mentioned earlier, each video you watch can earn you up to $3. Imagine the potential. Watching 20 videos could get you $60. And if you push it to 200 videos per day, you're looking at an easy $600. Now we're not stopping there. Let's cash out. And I'll show you how. After enjoying your YouTube binge, it's time to cash out your earnings. When your earnings hit $7, you have the option to cash out seamlessly using PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. To proceed, simply scroll down and click on this button right here. The cash out process is a breeze, making sure that your hard-earned dollars are in your hands as soon as possible. Sounds simple, right? You get to earn cash just from completing simple activities at any time, anywhere, in any country. This is 100% free. You don't need to pay for anything. Stay tuned because in a bit, we will be introducing this platform so you can start earning the cash that awaits you. Now, this earning potential is not just about watching videos. It's about turning your time into a money-making machine. Once you watch a video, the more videos you'll end up watching until you can't keep count anymore. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Excited yet? Now, I want to introduce you to the platform that's turning watchers into earners. The website is not just a gateway, it's a portal to endless possibilities. And here's the kicker, you don't need to invest a single dime. Ready to dive in? Let me guide you through. To get started, head to the website called gg2u.org. This serves as the gateway to your new earning opportunity. This site is 100% free, requiring no upfront investment. You can earn money by taking surveys, playing games, and more. But today, our focus is on the lucrative world of video watching. But wait, there's more. Just for signing up, you get a sweet $1 bonus. It's a gesture that says, "Welcome to a world where watching videos equals making money." Follow me through the sign-up process and let's get you started on your earning journey. So as you sign up, you'll receive a $1 bonus, adding a sweet incentive right from the start. Just enter your basic details, which are your first name, email address, your username, then create a password and select which country you're from. After you've signed up, you're ready to roll. The platform accepts users from all corners of the globe, making it an inclusive opportunity for everyone. Now, here's what sets this platform apart from the rest. High payout rates. Forget about the standard 40 to 60% offered elsewhere. This platform is upping the game with rates ranging from 65 to 85%. Once inside, the dashboard becomes your command center. It's not just about watching videos, it's about exploring the earning potential through various offers from legitimate companies worldwide. Ready to see the possibilities unfold? Follow me through. As you log in, the dashboard welcomes you with multiple offers and ways to earn coins and points, which then converts into dollars. Explore the earning potential through various offers from legitimate companies worldwide. However, for our focus today, we're honing in on the most lucrative and straightforward option, watching YouTube videos. Hey, real quick, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 300 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video next week to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Now enough talk. Let's put this into action. Head to the video section with me where every 200 points earned gets you a silver token. What's so great about it? Well, it adds $1 to $3 to your account balance. But that's not all. You get to choose from an array of video categories: food, music, viral, and gaming, just to name a few. Before you go ahead and start watching these videos, don't forget to turn off your ad blocker since you need to earn video points for the ads that are shown. The website also requires you to join Pixel Point. When you go and create your account, you can accumulate Pixel Point points. You need at least 9 points to redeem them for GG2U video points. You can click the Redeem Balance button on the Pixel Point website. It is recommended to watch the videos directly from the Pixel Point website. Follow these steps to connect your Pixel Point account to your GG2U account. Step 1. Make sure your web browser is configured to always accept cookies. Step 2. Log into your GG2U account and immediately click our orange and black Videos button so you are taken to this page. Step 3. Then log into your Pixel Point account again and it should automatically recognize your GG2U account. Make sure it shows your GG2U username on the Pixel Point website. If it still doesn't work, try these steps again using a different web browser. Once you've completed these steps, you can go ahead and start earning your cash through these videos. Pretty cool, right? For our viewers and subscribers, here's the bonus you've been waiting for. It's not just about watching one category, it's about watching them all at the same time. I'll reveal the secret to maximizing your earnings without spending hours glued to your screen. Ready for a game-changing tip? Open multiple tabs or leverage different devices, which turns this into a multitasking opportunity that maximizes your earnings. If you got extra devices laying around like phones, tablets, laptops, or even your smart fridge, you can put them all into good use. You can double your earnings this way because you won't need to watch every second of every video. You can just let them run simultaneously in the background while you do what you need to do, and bam! You earn money just like that. Your free time equals more money gained. Now, let's wrap up this comprehensive guide on how to get paid $600 per day to watch YouTube videos for free in 2024. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on for more guides and fortune innovations. Remember, the possibilities are limitless, and with dedication and consistency, you can turn your love for watching videos into a substantial income. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy earning, and I'll catch you in the next video.